Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire, is a motivational speaker, author, million-dollar real estate wealth coach, business strategist, legal counsel, and founder of Generational Wealth Zone. She's dedicated to showing individuals and entrepreneurs how to become financially empowered by turning the work they love into a profitable and sustainable business. She is living the life she loves and will teach you how to do the same. Teresa will reveal the secret to finding hidden money in your bank account through a simple mindset and business model shift. Teresa is motivated to help every woman become a world changer through personal wealth.
My vision for enjoying your legacy, for all the things that I do, is I want to see women, all the women that we come into contact with, all the women that I don't come into contact with. We're going to have a world where women are in financial leadership positions in their families, in business, in the stock market, all these different things. Women are now going to see themselves in the positions in which they were destined to be. Financial leaders of their households. We are now going to take the biblical principle of Proverbs 31 and make it a reality across the country, across nations, and we're going to affect the world because women are where the children lie.
Daniela Fairburn, a communications and customer service consultant from New York, New York, and a client of Teresa's, said, "You planted the seed and made sure I stuck to the plan. Your ability to reinvigorate and motivate is remarkable." Diane Demiria says she stopped thinking about starting a business and actually did it. Teresa helped us to see that starting a business could be a reality and walked us through each step of the process. And Lori Nicholas, a financial education instructor and coach from New York, New York, was so impressed with Teresa's business knowledge and connections, she said, "Because of being connected to Teresa, I have a network of professionals who are also like-minded that continues to expand my growth. I admire you for all that you do, and I'm blown away by your knowledge, experience, and your compassion to help others." Teresa will walk you through a step-by-step process of building, growing, and expanding your businesses to 6 figures and beyond. Be ready for inspiration and to move towards success. Teresa talks frankly about money and the simple plan that puts all important financial information together.
We don't want you to be living in the earned income phase. We need you to jump from earned income into that thing called residual income and passive income.
Natasha Ferrari, an accountant from Brooklyn, New York, said, "Before joining RIA NYC with Teresa, I didn't know that I could become an investor." Teresa is an expert in all things real estate investing and wealth building, and she's ready to pass on her knowledge to you. Get ready to find your path to your financial freedom. Barbara Horman said, "Had we not met Teresa, I don't think we would have purchased this investment property and would still be trying to figure out how to make it happen."
Financial freedom means that you have income exceeding your expenses. That means you have a little extra oomph out there that you can actually take that residual and now you can put that towards some wealth building strategies. We're going to talk about that a little later as well. And then we come to the granddaddy of them all. That's actually talking about wealth building. That's talking about financial independence. That's when your money is actually going out every day with a little suitcase and going out to work when you work.
Sandra Ferrari, a paralegal from Brooklyn, New York, said she is no longer afraid of what the future might hold. You are ready for change. You are here for a reason. Welcome, Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire.